Hey everyone, I am TP. I love traveling and I try to find little meaning in every place I visit. In this video, I will take you through one of the most walkable cities I have been to. A city that honestly surprised me. A city that felt quiet but alive. I will take you through the old town square where a giant head is just lying around. A fire-breathing dragon by a royal castle. And even some empty chairs that say more than words ever could. Today, I am in Krakow. Before we start, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe. It helps me a lot. I arrived in Krakow really early in the morning, and the very first thing I did was to find a machine to buy the 24 hours transportation ticket. You have to validate the ticket in the transport BTW. The old town square was the closest spot from the station, so I walked straight there. In the square, the very first thing I noticed was this huge monument of Poland's national poet Adam Mickiewicz. Right behind the monument is the Sukiennice, an old cloth hall which has been here since the 14th century. It is believed to be the world's oldest still operating shopping place. Right in front of them is St. Mary's Basilica, basically the building which is in every Krakow postcard. The building was huge and I took bunch of photos with it. I like good architecture. Peeking out from behind the Sukiennice was the town hall tower. The only part of the old town hall that still remains. Beside it, I saw something that is totally unexpected, a huge head lying around. Apparently, this head represents the violence throughout the history. I took one last look at the old town square and started walking in the Floriańska Street. This street was filled with shops and restaurants. It's Mr. Bean! And the robber in the back. At the end of it was St. Florian's Gate, the only remaining city gate from the 14th century. At the outside of the gate, I saw a medieval fortress called Barbican. I crossed the street to find another monument which honored the Battle of Grunwald. It was also in the 14th century. Most of the city is really old and I am loving it. There's just something about old towns. They hit different. Next, I went to buy souvenir. So obviously I was confused as which one to buy. To took this dragon magnet, not knowing the lore behind it. Bought a salted bagel, thinking it was sugar. I explored the old town a bit more, saw some churches and thought to myself, man, this city is so good. Like when I say it looks like a postcard, I'm not even kidding. This city has that kind of aura. Later, when the sun started shining, I decided to visit the castle. I walked through a park and saw these two people talking, and they are saying how y'all should subscribe to TP Farm from Home. To the castle area, and the very first thing I saw was the Wawel Cathedral. This is the cathedral where the Polish king was crowned and buried. The whole thing, the church, the castle, was on top of a hill, so I had to walk a lot. It's not like I was mad or something. The weather was like, it looked sunny, but it was cold, so yeah, that was okay. I went inside the courtyard of the castle and instantly felt like I was in a movie. I don't know why, it's just how I felt. A bit ahead, I saw a tower which is called Thief Tower. It used to be a prison for all the thieves. Reminded me of Rapunzel and Flynn Rider. From the top of Wawel Hill, I could see the Vistula river and the other side of the city. So I didn't waste any more time and decided to wrap it up in here. Saw the towers, explored a little bit more. When I got down, I saw something a bit ahead. It is the Wawel dragon. Not only that, it breathes fire in every 5 minutes. In front of it, I saw stars in the ground like Hollywood Walk of Fame. Identified some of the people. Just a bit ahead, I found this good boy monument. He waited for his owner for over a year, not knowing he died of heart attack. You watched Hachiko? Pretty much similar story. Later, I explored the area a bit more and went for some snacks in Hala Forum. Tried this amazing cream brulee when I started missing my friend Husn, and also tried lemonade. It was very good. After having a light snack and a bit rest, I felt refreshed. So walked and explored a bit more of this side of the city. I loved how people were noticing my amazing hoodie. Even had a great conversation with a fellow Marvel fan about Captain America. I wanted to explore Podgórze neighborhood, and to go there I had to cross this unique bridge named after a monk who built a hospital nearby. This is also the city's Lovelock Bridge. At the end of the bridge I found this guy. This was the second place I really wanted to see. I just like the design of this building, so huge and unique. Some locals even calls it mini Notre-Dame of Krakow. Then I went to Ghetto Hero Square and saw some empty chairs. I knew what they meant. You look at them and realize that history is repeating itself. And maybe years from now, people will build monuments again instead of doing something now. Sometimes we wait until it's too late and then we build statues. Then comes the hiking. I read about this place a bit outside of the city. The weather was a bit cloudy and there were little to no people around there. Mainly I wanted to go there to try out my drone. I didn't know I needed this. I stopped and spent way more time than I should. I felt peace at my heart. I was loving the surroundings, the weather, the everything. Sometimes all you need a little escape from the busy life to find this inner peace. I returned to the city to see the giant hot air balloon I saw earlier. At that point, I was done with my wish list and was just enjoying the rest of the day. After that amazing detour to Krakus Mound, I was in very good mood and just having a great time. I had spare time and decided to have dinner before I returned. Again to Hala Forum, and food I had some Polish beef and mashed potatoes. Both were extremely good. I returned to the old town one last time and just roamed around. It was genuinely a pleasure of mine to visit this amazing city. At the end of the night, I made my way back to the bus station along with a whole lot of great memories. So that was Krakow. I was promised an old city and the city delivered, and more. Not only that, it ended up being one of the calmest and most walkable cities I have ever been to. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and leave your thoughts in the comment. Let me know what you thought of Krakow or if you would ever visit this city. See you in the next one. Take care.